Many of you may think, why we need a Zoho partner for our business, and why 61 steps. Here's why you should choose 61 Steps as your Zoho implementation partner. We are Zoho experts. 61 Steps knows Zoho inside and out. We have been certified by Zoho, so you can be sure that we up to date on the latest features and best practices. We are experienced. We have helped countless businesses like yours implementing Zoho successfully. We know the ins and outs of the process and can avoid common pitfalls. Making Zoho tailored to your needs. We won't just throw a generic Zoho solution at you. We will take the time to understand your business and tailor the implementation to your specific needs. We are here for you. Even after the implementation is complete, we will be there to provide ongoing support and training. We are like your Zoho wingmen. We will save you time and money. Trying to implement Zoho yourself can be a time-consuming and frustrating process. With 61 steps, you can get up and running quickly and efficiently. So if you're thinking about implementing Zoho for your business, don't try to do it yourself. We 61 Steps will help you handle the heavy liftings for you, and we can assure you that you would be glad to choose us as your Zoho partner. Check out the bio for more detail. Follow us for more. Until then,